take off. You can do it, girl. Come on, big girl. That's it. You got it. You got it, Simone. Is that Cookie Monster? Who is this? Big Bird. Oh, yay! Good job. You gonna bring it to you?
What are you
What are you doing? Okay, now you're just showing off. Are you gonna pull yourself up next? Watch your head if you're doing it over here, baby. Watch your head. What are you doing? You're showing off how strong you are? Oh yeah, back up. Come over here again. You want to come to your block? Look at this. Simone. Come and play with me. Simone, look. You love the block.
She's like, no, this is closer.
Where are you going to go? Oh, you're going to come to me backwards? Back it up. Come on. Come on, big girl. You want to play with this? Look. It's not too far away. You just came all the way from over here and went over there. Ooh, look. What do you see over there that you want? What's that? What's that? Oh, what about the big ring? Ooh, yeah. You can reach to it. You gonna crawl to it? You're too far to reach it from there. You gotta come closer. Come on. What's that? It's a little cloud. You gonna crawl that way? She was crawling that way.
The 5 different little levers that you can open different ways.
Yeah, that, like that. Yeah,
Belly's
that,
off the
like that.
ground. Yes. Brian just got the video camera out because she did it a second ago and we went